morning, guys. Welcome to another vlog. Today it is Saturday and I just took a shower. I think I'm going to make some coffee. We're gonna try to put the Christmas stuff up. Just took Raven out. It's pretty cold, although the window's left open. Don't tell anyone. I was enjoying some fresh air. Still have soil. We have incense burnage up here, you know. But it's Saturday. It's a beautiful day. Let me close this real quick. I filmed a few videos yesterday, which I'm really happy about. It's just a bunch of Halloween stuff that I got last year that I have not showed you guys, nor have I even taken out of the bags. So that's a lot of it. I think I still have a little bit of stuff in the wagon, and then I think I have three other bags that I need to do. Raven's not crazy about the mess in here, and I'm not either. Also, I'm hoping to hang a lot of my clothes up because you guys remember a few vlogs ago when I did all that laundry. I still have not put that laundry up. I hope you guys aren't judging me. I can feel it. I can feel the judgment. But I have all of the laundry in the bedroom, laundry in the bathroom, laundry in the laundry room, and it's just a lot of laundry. A lot of laundry for... I'm not even wearing this laundry. I don't know where it's come from. That's what I want to know. Also, huge thanks to everyone who commented on my last vlog about cleaning a Keurig. A lot of you guys said that Keurig has a solution, but then also I could use vinegar and water. And then someone also talked about leaving it open, which I've been doing that, and that seems to help. So thanks for all of the tips. We're gonna do blonde coffee today. That's all we really have besides the spiced pumpkin that I'm savoring for here and there. Also need to organize all of my mugs. They're looking a little crazy. Okay, so the muffins are in the oven. Raven is living her little best life. I know you guys like to see little Raven. She's so cute. Gonna just put on a little bit of makeup so I don't feel like a zombie too much today. The muffins are in the oven, you know, and I'm probably gonna fast forward this a bit. Ooh, this is gonna be good. Ooh, that's like crispy topping, golden. Added the cinnamon and sugar. I'm really excited. Alright guys, so we are getting ready to sit down to eat our blueberry bread. A little carrot for Raven. Raven, you want a little carrot? Oh. Alrighty guys, so putting away the Christmas stuff. I'm so sad. One last look of the tree. I'm gonna miss you, Christmas tree. I'm gonna miss the Christmas glow. Here's an in-sync ornament that I made a long time ago, probably when I was like 12 or 13 years old. I just put a picture on back of like a 5-star notebook, added some glitter. Yes, I still put it on the tree. So giving you guys a little update. The tree is down. Looks naked, but it's fine because I'm happy to have this the full sliding door view back. Raven's still hanging out. Took the Christmas decor down. Looks pretty bare. Have all the Halloween stuff that I just put away for making room for the Christmas stuff. Trash. So we have these 2 trees going down along with the Christmas tree, and then 2 boxes of Christmas decor. I got these, I think, a few years ago when I had my Halloween tree, when I would just do it specifically for Christmas. I didn't use them this year. I'll always use like the silver and then like the black glitter ones, but the gold, probably not so much. How's everything fitting down there?
Not great.
Didn't it fit in there last time?
It did. Fine? I just gotta figure out how to like, well, you know.
A little bit later, Christmas is all out of here. Just wrapped up the last Christmas gifts that we need to give on the dishes. Quite the mess, quite the mess. 2021, here we come. Hello guys, coming at you to give you an update. Currently, I am organizing all of my Halloween mugs. Well, most of them, except for all the new ones that I bought a few months ago. There's a lot. I'm trying to line them up kind of in the order, the type of mug that it is, if that makes sense. So you got your little jack-o'-lantern mugs, you got your little small cafe mugs, you have your little cozy mugs, you have your standard mug, you have your definitely need more than 1 cup mug, and then your jumbo cups. And then these are just random ones that I'm trying to find a home for. Halloween dishes in there that I need to organize at some point as well. Got your little fun whimsical cups over here. The ones that you can't really stack and they have all these little characters on the top. You got your Ray Dunn ones. You got your coffee traveling mug. Just a lot of mugs. So that's what I'm currently doing. A little bit later, so we've swept, cleaned the floors, like did a little mopping. Dishes are done. I cleaned out the microwave, which it was really gross in there. It hadn't been cleaned out for a while. Christmas is all packed away. I can't believe it's gone. Raven's enjoying the clean space. She said it's so clean in here. Shook out this rug and then flipped it so the clean side, like the newer side, is out so it looks new, which is nice. Just hanging out. Wanted to update you guys. We ordered some pizza. Some of you guys are watching Shark Tank. It's back, so we're excited for that. I think I will probably end this vlog today, not just yet, and then I'll probably start editing it so I can have it up. I am having a little snack before the pizza gets here. I know. Just the good old spicy nacho Dorito, a little dill dip. Really good. It's a little bit later. I think it's like 1:30. What time is it? It's 12:52. So I finally got through most of my laundry and put it up in the closet. I really cannot wait to get a dresser. I found like this cloth dresser drawer kind of thing on Amazon. I might get just to put like socks and like underwear and bras and stuff, because currently it's just this situation right now. I think if I had some storage, like I think it'd be perfect right under here, just to kind of free some stuff up. Getting out of control with the shirts, the sweatshirts and whatnot. I don't know, maybe this is gonna be the year that I look into putting some stuff on, what is it? Is it called Depop? Pop Shop, where you can like sell your clothes and stuff. I think that's something I need to do this year. But yeah, me and Raven are just hanging out right now. I was watching the H3 podcast, the H3 After Dark. Here's the thing, is I didn't want to do my laundry, but I was like, well, let me just do like 5 minutes. And then of course I ended up doing like 2 hours, almost 3 hours. That took quite some time. I do have more laundry in my office, like more of the, I don't know, I have that clothes I have that clothing rack in there that I was using to hold like all of my like Halloween clothes, all of the outfits that I didn't get to wear just this past Halloween. Put some stuff in there that I need to hang up, but I think it's gonna actually go back in here. Keep Halloween clothes in there. I don't know. It's just such a unorganized disaster in here. That's my old Halloween tree, if any of you guys remember it. That was my like first Halloween tree I ever got. That one. I got that one from Target. I love that thing so much. I used to keep that. That was like the only thing I had in my room a long time ago. I'm currently watching Girlfriend's Guide to Divorce. I don't know if any of you have seen it. It was Bravo's first scripted TV series, I believe. There are 5 seasons. I just started episode 1, season 5. It's such a good show. Just all of their chaotic happenings in life. Some of them have children, one of them doesn't. Just like a good show to watch that makes you feel like you have a good group of girlfriends. That's like one thing that I miss, is like having a group of girlfriends. I don't even know if I had a group of girlfriends where everyone would hang out. But I want that. Like I want like three good girlfriends where we can all hang out with each other, hang out with each other separately and then come together. I miss having that. Like it's different long distance and online and stuff. I tend to watch shows like that make me feel like I have a good group of like close friends. Not that I don't have close friends, they're just far away. That's not the same, if you know what I mean. I'm going to call it a night. I think I'm gonna wash my face. I've been doing good this past week, washing my face. Sometimes, you know, I'm gonna be honest, I get lazy and I'm just like, I don't feel like washing my face, it's fine. In the morning when I do wake up with like a clean face, I feel good. I feel better about myself. I feel like, okay, I can take care of myself. Because why is it hard? Is it just hard for me to take care of myself, or is that a normal thing as an adult? Like washing my face, brushing my hair, taking a shower. It's so overrated. It's just hard, but obviously you feel better. So yeah, I've been doing good about washing my face. A few of you guys asked about, on the Q&A that's gonna be coming up, you guys asked how the whole eating healthy and doing like my self-care habits have been going, and it's been going good. The eating, I don't know, I've always had some issues with food. Food's always been my best friend, unfortunately. Trigger warning if food talk triggers you. It's like ever since I was a kid I can remember that it's always been like my best friend, and that it's always there for me when I'm sad, when I'm excited, when I'm happy, when I'm stressed. It's just, there's been a long food relationship that I have not enjoyed my whole life. Better. I'm not eating out as much, although I just like chips, I like cheese, I like just all the bad stuff, and it's like I know that my body would feel so much better if I got back on track. It's going okay, could be better, also could be worse. I noticed that I need to start planning like my workouts. Sorry, I'm rambling. I think I'm gonna go start washing my face as I'm talking to you guys. So I used to dance, and I always love watching when people do like Zumba classes on Instagram. There's this girl that I follow. Her Instagram is like Get Fit with Gabby, I think. And she's always posting these like fun Zumba clips that she's done. Like that looks so fun because it's like dancing. Like, I live in an apartment. I don't know if my neighbor downstairs would hear me. I thought about maybe looking into getting some kind of like a rubber gym mat to put in my office when I do work out. I'll probably be doing like yoga. I tried to do yoga a few years ago. Definitely do strength training, like lift weights and stuff in here. I do have access to a gym, but it's just, I don't know, it just makes me nervous with like COVID, although there can only be like only one other person in there. Not like a full-on full service gym. I think I just need to plan, like I could be doing squats, I could be working on stretching, and I'm not trying to like be Miss Fitness Sam. It's just my body's not as strong as it used to be when I danced, and yeah, that was so long ago. Like, my body's so different. I just want to feel good, you know? I just want my body to not feel like it's so frail. I did also pick up my bathroom, so I'm not gonna have to really worry about it tomorrow. I think I'm gonna work on my office tomorrow, paint my nails. I try to paint them every Sunday, and then I'll try to clean up my bathroom So it's like picked up for the week, so I did that tonight. I rambled on long enough. I hope you guys like this vlog. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It would mean so much to me. Subscribe if you have not, and be sure to turn on your notifications. That way you know when there is a new video on my channel. I love you guys so much. I hope you're doing well, taking care of yourself. Just thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!